Yep, well, here we are in the garden. Yep, getting some things put together, see? Yep, we're going to build ourselves a new greenhouse this year. Yeah, that's the theory at least. Yep, we're going to put some boards together in a little tarp and, well, see if we can keep the fruits and vegetables growing a little longer this year. Well, let's get working on it. Come on now, Mule, let's get going. Yep, the first thing we did was tore apart the old vegetable garden. Yep, we ripped up the board here and pulled it all off. Yep, piled up the dirt all around the center. Yep, now we're going to take these new boards here and build ourselves a frame to go around this pile of dirt. Yep, yeah, let's get to it, Mule. Come on now. Let me hold this end and you get that end. Yep. Well, now we got to measure this board out, see? Yep, we got to have the right size. We're going to be putting ends on it that are about 4 foot long. Yep, the board itself is, well, it's 10 foot, and that's how long we're going to have the two sides. But the ends of it, we need 4 foot. So I'm going to measure it out here with the tape measure at 4 foot. Yep, and then use this straight line here to, well, make a straight line. Yep, now you just got to run along this edge right here. Make sure you get a straight line all the way across before you cut. Got that, Mule? There you go. Yep. Now, when I was younger, it was a lot easier to do this hand sawing, see? Yep, cutting right into the board. Yeah, the Mule says they got power tools now, so I reckon we'll have to let him do this part. Hey, Mule, yep, get that power saw out. Let's cut this board here. Yeah, I've gotten tired. I'm gonna go take a nap. Yep. Well, we got it all pretty put together now. Yep. We got all the boards in and a frame on the edge. Made sure it was square by running the tape measure across it. Yep. Now we're just going to measure this board here, this 2x4, and make sure it fits right in this little spot for it. And look at that. We even got all the dirt in there. We've been busy little beavers. Alrighty now. We're going to make our line right here on the edge by this 2x4 on this 2x4. Yep, and now we're going to make a line across the stripe here. We're just going to do that with the straight line though. Yep, we don't want to use just the eyeball for that. We'll make it straight.